everyone, this is Cynthia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to show you a super duper fast Erin Condren planner tote hack. If you have seen the Erin Condren planner totes, you know that a couple of months ago this one came out. This is the wine, I think it's called. It's the dark red color. And when I got this, I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. But immediately I was like, okay, this is the worst designed bag in all of eternity. Because for me, when I'm using a bag, and I'm putting, all my crap is in here, so sorry. When I put my stuff in my bag, I always want this pocket to be closest to me because the phone pocket is right over here. But the way this bag came from Erin Condren, the asterisk, which is here, the decorative asterisk faces what feels to me like the back of the bag, right? The bag should open, and the gold one does, by the way, so I don't know if this one just got jacked up or what. But for me, the bag should open like this. This should be the back, and it isn't, it's backwards. So I was like, first of all, no. So how did I fix it? First thing I did was I bought one of their little flare pins, which I'm not a flare pin person, you guys. But I think they're $6 maybe, and it's a really sturdy little pin. I just put it on the front and I lined it up with where the clip is. Now I've made this the front of the bag because that makes more sense to me the way I store my things, and I can actually have it closed and it will work. And you guys are thinking, what is that chain, Cynthia? Also, I was really frustrated when I got this. Like, I love the strap, and mine's getting kind of dirty at this point. I need to throw it in the washing machine. I did Scotch guard this, and it is holding up really well. But it is starting to pill a little bit. If you look at this really closely, let's see if we can get it to focus. Hopefully. If you can see those little, yeah, it's starting to pill, which means that the fibers, it's not super duper good quality, but it's cute, so it's fine. But when I put this bag in my car, you know, I wear it crossbody, that's a really long strap. And I like to be able to just grab the bag. I like when there's a grab handle, and there isn't one on this. There is on the bigger planner totes, but not on this one. So I bought this from Amazon. This is just a cheap metal chain. It does have a gold finish to it that will wear off because, again, it is not expensive. But I want to say it's like 9 inches long. And what I've done, let me lay the bag on its side now so you can see it, is I've given it a pull, like a grab strap. So if you do have your bag like on the floor or on your seat, you can just grab it and go. And I want to say that this plus the little asterisk were less than $20. And they took a bag that was really cute but kind of annoying to me, only because it felt backwards and not really easily movable to me, and made it fantastically cute and super usable. I do have one of those druzy charms. This one right here, it was pink. Maybe it still is. It's fading. It's been, you know, I'm using it. I am getting good use out of this. But it does hold a good amount of stuff. I mean, let me show you, right, with the magnet is good, right? So I'm not giving a bag review because, like, all the people who are PR people have already done this. But the magnet, you know, it's a good, sturdy little bag. It stands up nicely. It's not ripping. It's not tearing. The color's holding up well. It just wasn't really useful for me until I added my grab strap. So what do I have in here? I have like my work keys. I have my work keys on the key leash. I have a wallet. I've got reading glasses, an umbrella, a hair clip, a reusable bag, hairspray, a little card wallet. So it holds a lot of stuff. But for me, I just wanted this to be the front of the bag right here, so that when I'm carrying it, this backside is toward me, so I can just reach in, grab my phone, right? Which that was not really easy to do until I retooled the bags with this asterisk flare pin. Boy, that's some light, isn't it? Yikes. Sorry. So that now this is the front. So I will try to link this if I can find it. I will link it. So yeah, so if you bought this and you're feeling a little frustrated, I found that with another, I want to say $20 total, probably not even that much, I was able to turn that around and make the bag that much more useful for me. Now there is the argument that when you're buying something, because I think the bag itself is like 40 bucks, that it should just work, and it probably does. Maybe some people don't care which way their bag faces, but for me, it makes more sense for the bag to be this way, so I hacked it and made it so. I made it the way I needed it to be, and I'm hoping that some of you find this useful. So if so, please let me know in the comments, have you done something like this to your bag to make it more the way you want to use it? And yeah, what did you do? So thanks for watching. I will see y'all in my next video. Take good care and stay well. Bye.